Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to make waffles, okay? Even if you don't have a waffle maker, you can do it in the frying pan. So let's see. Today for this recipe we will need all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, butter, eggs, milk, and salt. So, let's start. First, you're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. A half teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients. Now here you add 2 eggs. A half cup of milk. And 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And mix 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we are going to bake. If you have a waffle maker, it's easier to bake the waffle. So here you have your perfect waffle. You can eat your waffle with honey or Nutella. Depends on what you want, okay? So, if you don't have a waffle maker, you can do your waffles in a frying pan. Let's see. And here you have your waffle. It's like a pancake. Of course, it's not so beautiful as making in the waffle maker, but it's delicious at all. And here you have waffles. Bye bye!